What's unique about Sekisui Kydex is really the sustainability part. That's the reason I'm here.
So currently we extrude sheet format polymers that are used in multiple applications, particularly aircraft interiors, seat backs, tray tables, and even some medical devices that you may see at your local hospital.
Really sparked my interest that, the world around us is really developing. And if you look around, a lot of things are made of polymers.
I was really surprised how much technology went into polymers. It's just a material that we take for granted. We don't realize how much technology goes into that.
These projects could take 2-3 years. So you work on something and you put so much effort into it, and after all that time, you finally have a technical solution or a product for them. It is very, very rewarding.
Penn College has done a great job on the technical, hands-on aspect that really prepares them for a really meaningful job in the workforce.
Hi, I'm Scott Bellum. I'm the plant manager here at Sekisui Kydex. I oversee site operations of our South Campus facility. That includes our production areas, including the building itself. None of our plastics here at Sekisui Kydex goes to landfill. Everything is recycled. This includes floor sweepings, dust collection systems. Some of them do come back to Sekisui Kydex to be utilized as a recycled product to make sure it has an outlet. I think how Penn College prepared me for my roles here at Sekisui Kydex, they had a program that was close to home, that I could attend school while working full-time, and I was offered a great experience there.
Hi, I'm Nathan Wright. I'm R&D manager here at Sekisui Kydex. I was always interested in science and chemistry growing up, and the program really introduced you early on how polymers are put together and how the molecules actually work, and that was always really interesting to me. I'm responsible with my team to develop the new solutions to the problems that industry sees. My team spends the day mixing, formulating, breaking materials, burning materials, and setting things on fire, and just seeing how they perform and seeing how to make them better, how to make them more sustainable. Penn College helped me build the foundation of my knowledge. I was able to hit the ground running when I had my first job. I already knew the equipment. I was able to come in and instantly start processing.
My name is Trent Longenberger. I'm a process engineer here at Sekisui Kydex. I started as an inspector packer in my senior year. So I came in and just worked on the production floor, and an engineering position came open while I was still a senior. I was lucky enough to get the position when I interviewed for it, and they let me have it even before I graduated. So it was a really good fit. I got really lucky, but I couldn't be happier. My role here is a process engineer. We work heavily with production, whether they're having issues with the process, equipment's not working right, or maybe we're implementing new equipment, training them as well as helping them out throughout the day. But Penn College provides the framework of the foundation to really have an understanding of everything that you'll see in industry, and then you can build on it here when you're actually on the production floor and just seeing the process.
My name is Sean Gum. I am a business development engineer at Sekisui Kydex. I'm the main technical point of contact for mass transit. What I do is help develop new business, investigate existing and potential business, and help educate our customers, designers, engineers, OEMs. So my interest in polymers began in high school. We had drafting classes and CAD classes, and eventually had a plastics fabrication class. And I was always good at the technical things, so I pursued that field. I think my greatest personal success would be just getting to where I am now, just having finished my bachelor's degree, graduating with my master's degree, getting that promotion to business development engineer. It's something I've worked a long time. Once I got there, it was pretty rewarding.
My name is Sean Stabler. I'm Vice President of Innovation at Sekisui Kydex. A lot of companies will talk the talk. This is a company that really walks the walk, and it's really intertwined in everything we do. From our customers, we have buyback programs, getting the product back here so it doesn't go to landfill. We recycle, regrind here on site. We're responsible for recycling up to 20 million pounds of material every year. In terms of sustainability, it actually goes back to the research and development. So the products that we engineer and design are designed for durability, for long use, but but also recyclability in the future. Penn College is really responsible for where I've gotten to today. They taught me how to be pragmatic in my approach for engineering problem solving. Most of the professors have real-world experience blended with academic approach, which is extremely valuable to students that don't know if they're ready for college. If you can get the student and the passion connected, they can do great things. We currently employ 12 to 15 graduates, alumni at Penn College, and there are a lot of different areas. They're in research and development, manufacturing technology, information technology, operations, production, you name it, there's a fit for the Penn College alumni.